Hey there! So you have blocked an email in Gmail and now you're wondering how do I check which emails I blocked? Don't worry, it's simple and I have got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Gmail app. Once you're in, tap on the hamburger menu, those three original lines in the top left corner of your screen. This will open up the side menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Next, select the email account you are using. Tap on it. Once you are in the settings for that account, tap on Blocked Users. Here you will see a list of all the email addresses you have blocked in Gmail. Pretty simple, right? From here, you can review all blocked email addresses. If you want to unblock someone, just tap the unblock icon and you're good to go. And there you have it. You now know how to check blocked emails in Gmail on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.